lunch at Daeng Pad Thai. So what's special about this place is that it uses a 100-year-old Pad Thai recipe. Let's see if I can get him to kiss me. Hua Hin Night Market, walking down seeing what they have.
Hey, good morning guys. So it's 4 AM in the morning and we're heading up to Khao San Royal National Park.
We'll take a short hike there to catch the sunrise.
Let's go, let's go.
Dude, it's beautiful. You can see all the shrimp farms below. You see the sea. It's definitely worth waking up early for. Coconut ice cream. See you tomorrow. It's super early in the morning today and we're here at Wat Khao Takiap. We're gonna go find a place to watch the sunrise.